Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield. I haven't been here for over a week, I don't think. So we're here to look at the Anfield Road Expansion update. Sorry, I'm just looking at this crane here because it's on the move. It's got a section on it that's moving into some sort of position somewhere. Oh, let's get a little bit higher, see what the drop. Looks like they're dropping on the roof, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, let's go above the cranes and look down. Ah, yeah, they're connecting the doing more connections on the front spans. So anyway, as you can see, what I was going to mention is there's new cranes on site, which is that big bendy reachy crane. I think that's the technical term for it anyway. And over the other side there is a big tall giraffe crane. No, seriously, I haven't got a clue what they're called. So yeah, there's new cranes on site. Okay, I'm going to get back to comments today, so yeah, we'll have a little fly round, see what's going on. Yeah, they're connecting them front spans together, the other two. Yeah, see what's going on and have a little chat about the comments, because the comments are back. Oh yeah, so I'll get a bit higher and we'll have a look down on what's going on top of the roof. Okay, well, just normal zoom ins and stuff as well of what's going on, so yeah, so just keep our tabs on that for now while I get me comments. So in the last video, which I think was over a week, I was last year, because the weather's just been rubbish, talk about Liverpool's takeover, and there's been quite a lot of comments on that. I'm not going to cover everything because it's just a bit too much to cover, but someone says that they'd like Elon Musk to take over. I don't know if that'd be a good idea. He's more of a businessman more than wasting his money type of man, so I don't know if that'd be a good idea for his takeover. And someone else said that they don't want blood money, so I take it they mean a Middle Eastern investment, which I kind of agree with, but in today's football, if you don't take that money, then you're not going to get anywhere, are you? Man City have proven that. Oh, a little look down there at what's going on. It's interesting to see that because I haven't seen any work on the front spans yet. Someone said that the point and finger thing, I'll put one on now, that is useful, and also the zooming in's been useful as well. That's something new that I've brought to the channel in post-processing, because this drone doesn't have a zoom feature, so I have to do that in post-processing. So there's something that I can't see, like I can't exactly see what's going on there now, but I'll be zooming in and I'll have a good look at what's going on. Someone else has put Mr. Drone's better, pal. You know what, Mr. Drone is better. Okay, there's loads of others who do this that are better than me. You've got Paul Frost, he's a lot better than me. On the Everton build, you've got Barry 1878, he's a lot better than me. You've got Luke, School of Science, he's a lot better than me. I don't profess to be better than anyone. Okay, I just do what I do, and hopefully people do like what I do. I'm not trying to be better than anyone, just bring us something. I thought I brought something new that no one else was doing at the time. Okay, so I'll leave that one there. Yeah, someone else has put, whoever buys the club will need deep pockets, and they will. Wherever the investment comes from, they're going to need deep pockets. Now if someone's looking to make a business out of it, then the initial outlay of 4 billion, I don't think they're going to want to spend much more, but is it going to go far as a business if they don't invest? It's a catch-22, because it's a lot of money that Liverpool are going to want. Oh yeah, someone said they started work on the brick pillars on the front. So when I go back round the back, I'll have a look at that, see if I can see anything. I'll have a good zoom in on everything if I can't see it now, and then I'll see if I can see it in post-processing. I'll use my handy pointy finger thing. Okay. I'm not going to cover many comments today because I'm just getting back into the comments. So I've enjoyed just flying around and looking at stuff, to be honest. Because there's a lot that you need to concentrate on, especially flying a drone. Your class as a pilot, you're in charge of an aircraft. So there's lots going on the screen. You've got lots of warnings if things are going wrong. So you've got to keep an eye on that. You've got to keep an eye on the drone visually with your own eyes in the air. You got to be aware of my own surroundings, make sure I don't fall over or anything like that. And then I'm trying to do the comments as well, which, you know, adds it all up. It's a lot to do while you're trying to do this and talk at the same time. Which I'll bring that to my last comment in a bit because I found it quite funny. Well, let's get round this side and have a look. I'll drop it down a minute and have a look at it, little look inside the stands. Okay. JEFC 1969 is a regular contributor in the comments section on both this and Bramley-Moore, sorry. So just give him a little mention because he does comment quite a lot, which helps the channel. I won't read out the whole comment. It's basically saying the people who are going to buy the club are either going to be vanity ownership or lining their own pockets. So I'd say what he means by vanity ownership is, you know, the Middle Eastern guys who buy clubs for a plaything, you know what I mean? Throw loads of money on it and then try and win trophies that way, you know, and then say, aren't I the best owner ever for doing it? When all he's done is just thrown a load of money at trying to win something. Let's just get a little bit lower here. And his other point was, people who are lining their own pockets. So I think that might be a dig at the Glazers at Manchester United, who are just stripping every bit of cash they can out of the club and not putting a lot in. Okay, so I get what he's saying on that. And then he also says supporters who go to games are thought a lot less of than the ones who watch it on telly. And I can't really comment on that. You might have a point, but yeah, I can understand where you're coming from, because I go to the match and it cost me a fortune to get me and the kids to the match. It does cost a lot of money, whereas, you know, if you just sit in the house and, you know, there's ways of watching these games for free, let's face it. Or you can pay a subscription fee, which all these channels are going to get involved with soon. Amazon have started it. And don't be surprised if YouTube and Netflix get involved as well, and that'll just price out Sky and everything then. Okay, so I'm trying to have a look at these brick pillars. I'm not too sure where. Right, so what I'll do, I'm going to zoom in here, have a little scan across, and if I can't see in post-processing with the zooming in with my little handy pointy finger thing, someone just tell me where it is exactly. Okay, I found the ones at Bramley-Moore. I can't really see the ones here. Okay, and my last comment, I think it was someone trying to have an attempt at trolling me. It says, learn proper English. Might have a point after that. He says, learn proper English first before you make commentary. I'll put that one on the screen here. I don't know what he's having a go at. I don't know if he's having a go at my accent. I don't know if he's having a go at just the way I talk in general. At me as a person. We're all different, okay? And believe it or not, I've got a speech impediment, which you can probably hear in me talking sometimes. I repeat myself sometimes because it's a little bit of a stutter that I've got. I'm I've had this since I was a kid, and it's never going to leave me now. So, you know, I've got through life all right. But yeah, I'll start saying it and then I'll say it again. And it's just a little speech impediment that I've got. When I was in school, I used to have quite a bad stutter, but that's settled down now. I think it's a confidence thing. Yeah, so I don't know. I don't. If you can get back to me and let me know what you mean on that. But yeah, if it's an attempt at trolling, it's pretty poor. There's people better than you at trolling, trust me. But yeah, that's my comments finished for this video. There's been loads, and I'm reading out some, you know, bad comments. They are literally 0.01% of the comments that I get. If I tried making a video out of it, it would last about 5 seconds long. So I'm gonna have a little scan round the front again. Yeah, it lasts about 5 seconds long, whereas I read out all the good comments. It lasts about 5 hours. Okay, so I do got a lot more good comments than bad. I just don't like to blow my own trumpet with the good comments. That's all. Oh yeah, there's quite a lot going on that front span there. I'll keep it there. I'll have a little zoom in on it. But yeah, no. Thanks for everyone that comments, because I've read out a few there, and I haven't got time to read them all out. Normally I make the videos and batter through the comments, but I usually neglect what's going on site. Whereas today I'm trying to get both done, and as I said before, when you're trying to that's good, that watching that. When you're trying to read comments and watch the screen and look at the drone and watch where you're walking and stuff like that, it gets a bit tricky. So that's why sometimes I'll have big pauses as well, and it's just because I'm trying to concentrate, that's all. Yeah. Wonder what time to work until today, because it's a little after 2 PM now on a Saturday, so. So that's a little good one out of the joining up. That's good to get on camera, to be fair. But then workers must have balls of steel. Because that's some height to be working at that. And so I'll go the back of the stand now. I'll have my little scan across the make sure I know where I'm going there. Yeah, scan across the back of the build, if you like, the work site. Oh yeah, let's get a little bit higher over that one. But yeah, anything that you want to see, just let me know, and I will do my best to get it covered as well. So just let me. Battery's down on my drone, guys. Oh, a little scan across here before I get it back. Make sure it's not in the way. That's what I mean about the comments. Spend too much time talking. And hold it away from the microphone. Alright, so I'll leave it there, guys, and thanks to everyone that watches my videos. I really appreciate it. I'll speak to you all on the next one. Okay, speak soon.